As speculations continue to surround the regulation of cryptocurrencies in the United States, Gary Gensler, the chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, has described Bitcoin as a commodity. In a recent interview with CNBC, Gensler reacted to some developments in the cryptocurrency market and emphasized the need to get the space properly regulated to protect consumers. Despite his high reservation about the overall cryptocurrency ecosystem, Gensler seemed to be less critical of Bitcoin, which he affirmed to be a commodity. The SEC chair said some cryptocurrencies are commodities, but he was only willing to mention one crypto asset in that category, which is Bitcoin. Gensler also said the SEC, the Commodity Future Trading Commission, or CFTC, and banking regulators will work together to oversee the cryptocurrency industry. We will now take you to Gary Gensler's interview where he discusses everything from crypto regulations to the state of stablecoins like Tether. Please watch, share, and like this video. We also love to hear back from our viewers, so be sure to drop your comments and observations in the comments section below. The crypto market is full of amazing opportunities for investors and traders that know how to utilize the industry's best tools. Whether the market is completely in the red or prices are going off the charts, there is always a way for savvy traders to make money. 3 Commas is a platform that provides savvy crypto traders with tools to centralize their operations in one easy-to-navigate and carefully designed interface. 3 Commas helps crypto traders maximize profits, minimize risks, and limit losses on multiple exchanges. This platform has many exciting features that can help you successfully navigate the crypto market regardless of market conditions. You can autonomously follow the trades of experienced traders via signals or use the Smart Trade terminal to trade on and manage multiple exchange accounts using one convenient interface. 3 Commas features the best trading bots, so you can trade or buy cryptocurrencies at the best prices even while sleeping. The best part: 3 Commas is offering a 3-day full access for everyone who follows the link in the description box below. You'll also get an exclusive 50% discount when you purchase your first monthly Pro subscription. 50% off, and you can enjoy the best trading experience with lots of amazing features on 3 Commas. Please follow the link below to get started.
Where's the state of play crypto right now?
Look, this is a highly speculative asset class. We've known this for a long time. The ups and downs of this speculative asset class, Bitcoin, and hundreds of other tokens. And many of these tokens offer the investing public, or the investing public is hoping, I should say, hoping for a return. Just like when they invest in other financial assets we call securities. And many of these financial assets, crypto financial assets, have the key attributes of a security. So some of them, they're under the Securities and Exchange Commission. Some, like Bitcoin, and that's the only one, Jim, I'm going to say, because I'm not going to talk about any one of these tokens, but
sure,
my predecessors and others have said they're a commodity. Working together, there's 2 great market regulators in this country. I had the honor to chair the CFTC, a terrific agency. I have the honor now to chair the Securities and Exchange Commission. A little bit different remits, a little bit different approaches, but working together with the banking regulators as well. There's work to be done there around what's called stable coins. There's a lot of work to be done to really protect the investing public. And many of these tokens right now trying to operate, they're potentially non-compliant, and I'll leave it at that, Jim.
Okay, well, one of the things that I love about what you've always believed in is transparency. You mentioned stablecoin. I did not bring that up, but there is one that is regarded as being perhaps not as transparent as we'd like, which is called Tether. And it's very big, about 60 billion. If they told us what they were really in, what they had their money in, wouldn't that be better for everybody?
Look, transparency is a key part of the investing formula. It's kind of part of the basic bargain that you get to, on a quarterly basis, know something about the companies. And if material events happen, like they do all the time, then companies make additional filings called 8K filings, and the public gets to decide what risks they want to take. That's the basic bargain. Similar to stable coins, we have something called money market funds. And in money market funds, you get to see what's underneath the hood, what's really below that one-to-one relationship, where in a money market fund, the public has come to understand that, except for in very unusual times, they get $1 for $1. Or at banks, banks as well. Stable coins have similarities to bank deposits, that you have something standing behind that relationship.
Okay, well, one of the things that happened, and I sure hope that that clarity and transparency occur, but one of the things that happened, at least in many of our lives, I've had all my life had my money with Fidelity. And they came out and they said, look, you can put your Bitcoin in 401k. It was a seminal moment because if 401k is made for securities, you put Bitcoin in, and suddenly that kind of endorsement makes us feel very comfortable, Mr. Chairman, with the asset that is Bitcoin. Are we too comfortable?
Look, there's a lot of risk in crypto. There's also risk in the classic securities markets. What we have in the U.S. is we have this concept that you have market regulators like the CFTC and SEC to help protect the public against fraud and manipulation in the markets. And when there's a group of entrepreneurs that are selling something to the public, who are saying to the public, come here, come hither, we've got this great idea, that when you do that, you've got to have basic disclosures, full and fair disclosures. That's what the SEC does. That's what we do really well. It's less so, in the oil markets or the wheat markets that the CFTC has. And so that's what we have. And right now you have hundreds, if not thousands, of these crypto tokens that have the basic attributes of raising money from the public and having a group of entrepreneurs that you might have on your show saying, come hither. We've got a good idea for you. And that's okay in America if you comply with the laws. And we've got, unfortunately, a lot of projects that are non-compliant.
The SEC chair is not the only high-ranking official of the U.S. regulator who has described the world's largest cryptocurrency as a commodity. Last month, CFTC Chairman Rossen Bainum also described Bitcoin and Ethereum as commodities and not securities. Several leading Bitcoin proponents, including digital assets manager Eric Weiss and MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor, have applauded Gensler's description of the crypto asset. Here's a tweet from Weiss. Gensler is the second consecutive SEC chair to declare that Bitcoin is a commodity, making it all but impossible for this classification to be altered in the future. Very significant indeed. Michael Saylor also tweeted about the SEC chair's statement with a video of the CNBC interview. Bitcoin is a commodity, which is essential for any Treasury Reserve asset. This allows politicians, agencies, governments, and institutions to support Bitcoin as a technology and digital asset to grow the economy and extend property rights and freedom to all. In a more recent tweet, Saylor also announced that his business intelligence and analytics company, MicroStrategy, has bought an additional 480 Bitcoins for $10 million. The company's Bitcoin stash now stands at 129,699 Bitcoins. Here's Saylor's tweet announcing the recent purchase. MicroStrategy has purchased an additional 480 Bitcoins for approximately $10 million at an average price of $20,817 per Bitcoin. As of June 28, 2022, MicroStrategy holds approximately 129,699 Bitcoins acquired for approximately $3.98 billion at an average price of approximately $30,664 per Bitcoin. This announcement will finally put to rest all the rumors about MicroStrategy's margin call and possible liquidation. Saylor has once again shown the extent of his devotion to the growth and development of the world's largest cryptocurrency, even when he's making a huge loss. As of press time, Bitcoin is trading at $20,062, over 30% loss on each Bitcoin he has. What do you think about Gary Gensler's interview and Michael Saylor's latest shopping spree despite the ongoing cryptocurrency crash? Please drop your comments and observations below, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.